Hi friends, today's blend is the P and the L. P, oo, P, oo. You put it together and it says pl, pl. So it changes the way it sounds just a little bit. P, oo, pl. Okay. Our first word is plant. Plant. These little girls will put the plant into the ground. Plant. Plums. Plums. Plums are a delicious fruit. Plums. Planets. Planets. Here are pictures of planets. Is Pluto still a planet? Plates. Plates. We have different sizes of plates. And the last word is play. Play. The little children will play at the playground. See this little one? He's sliding down the slide. Oh, I discovered something. There's a story on the back of the book. I'll quickly read it to you. A rocket plan. Max was playing with his plane when he had a pleasant thought. He could plan a trip to Pluto and be a spaceship astronaut. Max got a hammer and some nails, and some pliers and plywood too. He planned to build a rocket. A plane would never do. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thank you and have a good day.